Hey guys, so I wanted to show you all my project from last winter. It's a 98 XT350. Went through and put in a new intake, sprocket, painted everything, new seat cover, exhaust, wrapped the pipes, Pro Taper handlebars, MSR handguards. And the last thing I did was I put on these funky little LEDs. They're light and they're very bright, you know, but they do not work under aggro conditions. Went through some brush and barely tapped this side and it just stopped working. I pulled it off and tested it and it just totally crapped out. So we're going to get rid of those. The stock ones stick out to like here. They look stupid as hell. They stick out even further in the back. But I found these and they're the same shape as the stock ones. They are incandescent, so I went through all the trouble to install a diode to make these work correctly, but hopefully when we go back to incandescent, which just looks right, fits the bike. These are like the stock ones, but they're nice and short and tight. Look at that. That's going to look great. So that was a foul mistake. Let's make it fair. And then I could finally just ride this bike and quit working on it. Like that's gonna happen. So this is not a how-to video because I'm assuming that you already know how to wire up some lights. It's pretty easy. But here's a little trick I do. Whenever I'm installing new lights, I'm going to do the heat shrink. Before I heat it all down there, I'm going to just kind of zap the edge a little bit. Shrink that down. And tuck that into the stem. And then I'm going to heat shrink the rest of it. You get the picture. Just makes for a cleaner install. Might protect the wires a little better. Dude, that looks a million times better. Look at that. And they're brighter. And having that diode in there didn't affect it at all. So there we go. God, that just looks right. I'm so happy with that. Alright, now we got to do it to the back. God, those suck. Alright, so those look great. I'm really happy. Way better than this garbage. So the moral of the story is when you're doing stuff like this to your bike, stay true to the bike. The style, the vintage, all that. Stay away from cheapo Amazon garbage. I know it's convenient, but that is so much brighter, looks so much better, it just fits the bike better. Yeah. And these cost about 4 times as much as these. Well worth it. So there you go. That's foul. That's fair. Do it right. Be true to your bike.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Please and thank you.
Good job. Make sure you bring it back with a full tank.
Okay.